In this video, I'll show you how to use the Form Calculation Widget in Jotform, a powerful tool that lets you perform live calculations directly inside your forms. Start by opening Jotform in your browser. Log into your account or sign up if you're new. Once you're in the dashboard, open an existing form or create a new one. In the form builder, look to the left and click on Add Form Element. Then select the Widgets tab and search for Form Calculation. When it appears, drag and drop it right onto your form. Next, click on the widget you just added. You will see a small wand icon. Click that to open the settings. Inside, click Add Field to select which form fields you'd like to include in your calculation. You can combine them using mathematical operators like plus, minus, multiply or divide to build your formula. For example, if you want to add two number fields, simply insert a plus sign between them. You can even go further and use advanced functions like average or square root for more complex calculations. Once you've built your formula, click Save to apply your changes, and that's it. Your Jotform now automatically calculates results based on user input. It's an incredibly handy feature for things like total pricing, averages, or any quick data summaries. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more Jotform tips and automation guides.